papalagan ko yung charity mo na yan. Huwag ka mag-alala, Tore, kasi matagal ko na talaga gusto makabugbog ng unggoy. Kung gusto mo lang talaga ng suntukan, bakit kailangan mo pa mo ng charity? Why do you need kailangan mo pang gamitin yung nangyayari ngayon? Nabaha dyan sa Metro Manila. If you're really serious about this, kung gusto mo yung charity na yan, and you've laid some conditions, then let me lay my own conditions for the event. Kung serious ka talaga, ha? These are my conditions. Pakiusapan mo yung amo mo na presidente and let it come out of his mouth that all elected officials should undergo a hair follicle drug test. Wala problema. Kung if it will answer the issues nitong bansa natin, I can do that.